Late 2025, Claude gets a feature so small it fits in one text file. 9 months on, it has repos with 250,000 stars. The feature is Agent Skills. Tonight, we rank the 10 most starred Claude skill repos on GitHub. Live star counts pulled this morning. What is a skill? A folder. Inside it, one file named SKILL.md in plain English. Instructions, not code. Claude opens it only when the task needs it. No huge prompt, no fine-tuning, no API. That's the whole trick. The top line tells Claude when to use it. The rest loads only if it fits. They call it progressive disclosure. Copying a folder is that easy, so thousands did. That's when the star counts stopped making sense. One warning first. The number one repo is not Anthropic's, not even close. Hold that thought. 10 repos, smallest first. Watch the numbers climb. Quick note on the numbers. Every star count here is live, checked against GitHub this morning, not a screenshot from last year. In a list moving this fast, that difference genuinely matters, and here's what one actually looks like inside. The very top line says something like, use this skill when the user needs a PDF. Below that, the numbered steps. That's the whole file. Claude scans hundreds of those title lines and pulls in only the ones that fit the job in front of it. And if that sounds like plugins or the MCP servers you may have heard about, it is simpler than both. There is no server to run, nothing to install, no config. It is a plain text file the model reads. That simplicity is exactly why it spread this fast. Number 10. Composio's awesome Claude skills, sitting at 67,000 stars. And here's the catch that sets the tone for the whole list. There is not one single line of runnable code in this entire repository. It's a list. A hand-curated directory that points you straight at the best skills other people already built, sorted, and reviewed. And that is the theme all night. On GitHub, the map to the gold is very often worth more than the gold itself. Number 9 is a genuine flex. This repo belongs to Addy Osmani, the Google engineer behind a huge chunk of Chrome, and it is his own personal collection of agent skills, published in the open. 77,000 stars and climbing. These are production-grade engineering skills from a person who ships to billions of browsers with more than 8,000 forks on top. The lesson is blunt. When Addy Osmani puts a skill file online, developers copy it first and ask questions never. Number 8. Graphify. 82,000 stars for a skill that does exactly one thing and does it well. You point it at a big, messy folder of code and it turns the entire codebase into a graph the agent can actually walk through. Because this is the thing that quietly breaks agents. A large repo simply will not fit inside the model's head all at once. Graphify hands Claude a map instead of a maze. One genuinely sharp idea, 80,000 fans, and it only launched back in April. Number 7 has, without contest, the best name in tech. It is called Caveman, 88,000 stars, and the tagline, copied word for word off the repo, reads, "Why use many token when few token do trick?" Under the joke, it is completely real. It rewrites the way Claude phrases things and cuts roughly 65% of the tokens it spends. Same answers, a far smaller bill. That one gag pulled 88,000 stars in about 3 months. Number 6, UI UX Pro Max. 104,000 stars for a single design skill. You ask it to build an interface and it flatly refuses to hand back the usual generic, gray, obviously AI-generated slop these models default to. And this is the exact point where skills crossed over, not developers anymore. Designers, founders, people who cannot write a line of code but know instantly when a screen looks cheap. That is a far bigger audience, and it found one skill. 6 down, and notice something. Not one of them came from a company. Every repo so far is a single person, scratching a single itch and giving the fix away. Notice the split that's forming as we climb. Some of these are collections, lists, and directories of other people's work. Others are one single, razor-sharp skill. And the higher we go, the more they stop being a skill at all and start being a system. And look at the dates. Caveman and Graphify both launched in April. ECC in Matt Pocock's repo this year. Most of this top 10 did not exist 8 months ago. This entire category is, essentially, brand new. We are exactly halfway, and the top 5 are a different species entirely. These are the repos people stopped calling skills and quietly started running like a full operating system wrapped around their agent. Number 5 is the official one. Anthropic/skills. Anthropic's own repository, the reference implementation. 160,000 stars, and to be fair, it is genuinely the cleanest example anywhere of how to build a skill the right way. But here's the part that stings a little. Anthropic invented agent skills. They wrote the spec, they coined the term, and their own repo still only reaches number 5. The community outstarred the company that created the format by about 4 to 1. Number 4. Matt Pocock's repo, named with total earned confidence, just skills. 165,000 stars, and the description might be my favorite single line in this whole ranking. Quote, straight from my .claude directory. There's no product here, no landing page, no pitch, no funnel. He simply published the exact skills he personally uses every day, and 165,000 people said, give me whatever Matt is running. That is raw reputation turned into stars. Now the top 3, and number 3, somehow, has no code in it either. It is one single CLAUDE.md file, one plain document, distilled from Andre Karpathy's public notes on how these coding models actually think and behave. One text file, 190,000 stars. Karpathy never shipped this as a product or a tool of any kind. Somebody just carefully wrote down how one of the sharpest minds in AI approaches coding, and the internet completely lost its mind over it. Number 2 is the real outlier of the night. It's called ECC. 228,000 stars, and if we are being honest with each other, it is not really a skill at all. It has grown into a full agent harness. Skills, instincts, memory, and security, all wired together into one system that rebuilds how the agent operates from the ground up. 35,000 forks. People had stopped wanting a single skill by this point. They wanted the entire brain assembled, which leaves number 1. And remember the warning from the very start, not Anthropic, and not even close. Number 1 is Superpowers. 252,000 stars. To put that in perspective, that is more than the official Anthropic repo and the Karpathy file put together, with room to spare on top. Superpowers is the whole toolkit. A complete skills framework bolted onto an actual way of working, a full method for getting real, shipped software out of an agent without babysitting it through every single step. Here's the genuinely wild part. One developer, who goes by the handle Obra, started this whole thing last October, right when Skills launched. 9 months later, it is one of the most starred repositories on the entire platform, above frameworks that took teams years. And it began life as a folder with one Markdown file inside. The takeaway from number 1 is almost the whole video in a single line. The winning move here was never a better model. It was writing your method down in plain text and then giving it away for free. And zoom out one more level. A single community index now catalogs over 1,000 of these skills, spanning Claude, Cursor, Codex, and Gemini all at once. The format outgrew the tool it was built for almost immediately. A quick nod to the ones that just missed the cut. A taste skill built to kill boring, generic AI writing. A research skill that reads the last 30 days across Reddit, X, and YouTube for you. And a library of 1,900 skills you install in a single line. And that is the real headline hiding inside this whole list. The winners are sitting on hundreds of thousands of stars, but stacked underneath them are literally thousands of working skills, from a single command to a full teardown of your codebase, and that pile is getting visibly bigger every single day. So step back for a second. What does this ranking actually tell you? I count 3 things, and every one of them is a little uncomfortable if you happen to run a large AI lab for a living. First, the top of this list is not Anthropic. The format they designed was so open, so trivially copyable, that the community sprinted straight past the company that invented it. That almost never happens in this industry, at this speed. Second, half of the top 10 barely contain any code at all. A list, a Claude file. A single page of good instructions. Distribution and taste flat out beat raw engineering here, over and over and over again. And third, the biggest repos stopped being single skills and turned into frameworks. You can watch the unit of value grow in real time across this ranking, from one small file all the way up into an entire system. So if you want in, don't start by trying to build a framework. Open Anthropics/skills, copy one skill file, change 3 lines, and watch Claude pick it up mid-task. That is the entire on-ramp, and it takes about 5 minutes. Every repo from tonight is linked down in the description, with its star count as of today. And if you think your favorite got completely robbed by this ranking, tell me exactly where it should have landed. That's the top 10. I'll keep counting the stars so you don't have to.